Model, 69 plates Citroen Dispatch 1000 Enterprise BHDI stop-start drives excellent long MOT. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 104,114. MOT, the 28th of September 2025. Engine, 1499 cc BLUEHDI 100 DV5R DVU. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119